Yes, so Chelsea 0, Manchester City, when be like saying that them be the Premier League champions for last season. One, normally everybody knows the Chelsea champions of Europe. They carry that very bungelistic form from last season, enter this season, but now they don't lose against Manchester City. And we get one very bungelistic Man City fan here with Chelsea fan here with us. Before I come on, go change them to Man City fan. Oga AkaGod, I beg, tell us how you see the game. What do you think say go wrong for Chelsea for this game?
Control Hello. Aaron, I'm here on a pass now. Boy, AkaGod Limited. I don't come again. I don't show. Guys, they be. We remain European champions and the best team in the world. Um, my take for the game is say Chelsea of attacking force not really they good. I always tell you since this season say our offensive game they're really poor because if you see the creativity they come up more from the defense, they really affect us.
Okay.
We lacked connection from the offensive midfielders where we don't get for that game. We lack them. It caused serious dislink between Lukaku and the midfield. You see, as most times, would they try come from the flank, the cross ball, which Robin Diaz not be treated by Mama Fly. Now strong defender when really hold Lukaku to the ball for ground. So I believe the problem one, we lack creativity, which I always talk. We lack creativity for the game, and two, we too sit back. We still sit back for Man City to attack. If they play game, people like Man City go sit back, they wait for them to maybe you get chance to maybe get counter attack. Man City now a big team and and they be defending champions so for the league. So you can't just sit back and be waiting. We too sit down back for the game. So now what it costs two things when I see what happen affect the game.
All right, now Oga AkaGod, we see say for inside the first half of the game, one person will be like saying a starter for that Chelsea team, Rhys James injury and come on for inside the game. You think say that injury where Rhys James gets, it affects the Chelsea team performance today?
Even before the game, Chelsea don't lose possession. Even before Rhys James injury, we don't lose possession. Yes, we don't lose possession. But the thing we say it affects us on ISM. We don't say Rhys James take creative. We know more than Aspilicueta, will be our captain. We know definitely. I know because even when he injured, I feel bad. So introducing Thiago Silva help us for defense as well, but it make us like we can't sit down more for back because you see what I'm saying. Thiago Silva na full-time defender, Aspilicueta na full-time defender. And as much as they do the right back, they run that place, but not that creative and get that pace like Rhys James to create chances. You see, so it really affects us to understand, but not being the real cause of the loss.
Okay. So to you now what can be the real cause of this loss when happened today? When be like say Chelsea can lose to the league champions Man City. Now what do you think they cause them?
Would they lack creativity from the attacking midfielders? You say if you say the game will start, you start N'Golo Kante, start Kovacic, start Jorginho. So no creative midfielder for them. Like who the offensive midfielders, they like Mason Mount. We lack as much, they inform. We lack offensive player. We go like this, make Lukaku get a little big chances, So if they like Ingo they create chance. So now what we lack for the game? We lost the midfield to Man City. That's true. Even as much say N'Golo Kante did the game, we lost the midfield to Man City. And what because I'm saying we know the more offensive. Now we could lose the game. Not be say with the defense we were good. And we were just good, just that we lost offensively to Man City. So we not press more. We not press at all. We not press. So now we could lose the game. So that's it. We not press. So I would like
all right now
midfielder for the game. 9 cost.
Okay now, Oga AkaGod. Chelsea next game now for Champions League against Juventus. And we know say for some time now, this Chelsea team never lose. And me and you know say sometimes when some team lose, pressure don't begin there on them. So but now Chelsea don't lose now against Man City. You think say pressure go there on Chelsea against Juventus to quick go back to winning ways again?
No. The team they standard because the goal not come as a result of maybe we lack coordination or maybe our defense not good. No, I don't feel say pressure on the team at all. The team is still standard and solid. We're still playing a master game football. It just say today we just lack creativity for the attack. There's no offensive player like ZH, like Messi Mount. So now what will make us lose the game? So I believe say moving to Juventus. We go beat the Juventus.
Okay.
You know, go affect
But
us
I
because
want,
Chelsea.
yeah, okay. I want to ask you, this lose when Chelsea lose against Man City today, you think say it gets anything when this loss go play for inside the title race? We all know say the way they go, Man City, one of the favorites to win the league. Chelsea too, they among there too, one of the favorite teams to win like people go see count too, still they. You understand? Liverpool they among the miss, United they too. But you think say this loss when my Chelsea lost to Man City today, it go affect the title race?
For me, the league still dey open, good and fine. I know go really just say it go affect, but for you to win the league, you need to beat the big dogs. You know, and Man City are the big dog, so you know you can't take it away from them. I always say I take Man City for the league. You know, in as much I'm a Chelsea
Mm,
fan. You know, so
yes.
I know the league still dey very very open. We don't see Man City. They struggle with other teams, other middle teams now on smaller teams. They struggle to win.
Mm,
So I know the Man City will still bounce back and pressure more. And Chelsea still dey full in the title race, but I believe we need a winning in any big games again, because when you lose points, drop points, draw or lose in a big games, that means getting the league to the Stamford Bridge will be a problem. So you know, but not be say we don't lose, we dey lose confidence for the league. It's still dey open. Anything can happen, but we need to
okay.
beat winning big games. That's what I believe.
All right, now real quick, make we enter inside the player rating for inside the game. Oga AkaGod. We go start with Edward Mendy. On a scale of 1 to 10, now wait till you go rate Edward Mendy.
Mendy is a very good goalkeeper now, so you know the goal where happen not being fought. So
Hmm.
I'll give him 8.
Okay, what about Antonio Rudiger? Now wait till you go rate him.
Rudiger played a perfect football today. He tried for the defense, coordinates and well. I'll give him 8. So
Christensen.
Christensen 8.
Aspilicueta.
So I'll try, yeah. I'll give him 7 because there are so many
Um,
places when he lose chance with this person,
okay.
Grealish.
What about Rhys James? We know say not to play, say, but wait till you
Yeah.
go give him.
With James, you know, he not really played 90 minutes, so I'm not going to rate
Hmm.
him much. We just give him 6.
Okay, what about N'Golo Kante?
I'm going to try for the game. I give him 7.
Jorginho?
Giorgio 7.
Kovacic?
Kovacic 8.
Marcos Alonso?
Marcelo Alonso really not don't underperform today. Not really should prove himself. He likes the big games, they swallow
Hmm.
him. So I give him 6.
Okay, what about Timo Werner?
He make good runs, no, but you know, make good runs, but still they like that confidence to like fence defenders. He make good runs today, but I give him 7.
Lukaku?
Lukaku try. He really show himself, you know, but you know that creativity when he did get to really prove himself. And Chelsea they play one
Hmm.
game, one pattern of game one they like to the long ball for that center place. When you know see they play with a strong team like Man City. I'll give Lukaku 7. We try our best. So,
What about Thiago Silva? Goal mat clearance when he make.
wow, no. Thiago Silva at 8.
Okay, Kai Havertz, unko?
6.
What about Ruben Loftus-Cheek? One player will be like say we know say for some time now. In been linked with a move away from Chelsea, but in no going come out for inside this summer transfer window. The coach keep on for this team. You go tell me player rating, but I will make you talk whether Ruben Loftus-Cheek impress you for this substitution when he enter inside this game.
Yes, I even did surprised because for him to play that deep play, the move go from midfield, the go front. I like the confidence, the agility of the game when he cool the tempo of the game. If you watch the game, he cool the tempo of the game. Because me, I never expect him. Because me, I feel say, love this stuff they do by this time when this game they hot like this. But he changed the game for the
Okay.
midfield. Just can't even still hold ball. It really impressed me. I can't even suggest say, coach, if say coach, no say, love Stitch did this form. If for Kuku come out your deal, leave Kante for the
Play
game.
him
Most
earlier.
like yes, you know, because I know say where we leave Giorgio for the game to see more feels the whole ball, they hold like they control the game for the midfield, they create chances. But I don't know say Love since you go do like this. Say we no say we go do like this. Like nobody knows. I
Hmm.
feel like maybe you for just come out Giorgio, leave Kante for the game. But I know say Kante don't tire. They play boss to boss midfield, so not be waiting small picking they play. I know say don't tire, but at least if say we no say go Love since you go give him part like this. We'll just say more leave Kante for the game, then come out Jorginho, because
Okay.
Kovacic is already the top of the game.
So, but we know say very soon now, small time January transfer window will come now. With what you they see for Ruben Loftus-Cheek, you want me to keep him for inside this Chelsea team?
Yes, of course. Because anybody can injure, and this we don't see Saul never really blend for the team. Yes.
Yes.
The guy play good football. And I just say, maybe like the kind of tactics when Chelsea manager they play, So I just he a good player, He they get confidence to hold the ball, not player you could give ball, you go the face to come out. Yeah, he get the strength, he get the passes, and he get force to move front, he get the bites. So there's no need losing him. He has to be there. He's very good, I wouldn't like me to give him more chance, give him more chance. Make
Okay.
like they bring him in second half for every game.
Okay, now, Oga AkaGod, thank you for your time as you take on run this interview. We know say this one no go well for you and all the rest Chelsea fan. We hope say Chelsea go put some smile for your faces and all the Ogbongelistic Chelsea fan for Champions League against Juventus. Make you enjoy the rest of your weekend now. Bye bye. You too much.
Yeah, bless up. Big up Chelsea fans. Bless up you guys.